Looking for a dash cam that captures every detail with crystal clear precision? This 4K dash cam offers stunning front video quality paired with a sharp 1080p rear camera. Whether it's bright daylight or low-light conditions, you'll catch license plates and road signs with ease, thanks to the advanced Sony sensor and HDR technology. What sets this dash cam apart is its built-in Wi-Fi, letting you connect directly to your smartphone. Through the dedicated Hiboli app, you can watch live footage, adjust settings, edit videos, and even share clips on social media in real time. It's convenience and control right at your fingertips. Tracking your route has never been easier. With GPS integration, your driving speed and vehicle location are stamped right onto the video. Playback on your iOS or Android device, or on a computer, gives you a clear view of your journey mapped out on Google Maps. This feature adds an extra layer of safety and accountability. The dash cam features a 3-inch IPS touchscreen that's both responsive and easy to navigate. Its sleek design includes a magnetic bracket that makes mounting and removing the camera effortless. This thoughtful build quality ensures your dashcam stays secure while looking great inside your car. Nighttime driving? No problem. The Sony IMX335 sensor combined with HDR technology delivers brighter highlights and a wider color range. This means the camera captures crucial details even in the darkest conditions, helping you stay protected around the clock. Worried about parking security? The 24-hour parking mode has you covered. With a built-in 300 mAh battery, the camera automatically activates and records a 30-second clip if it detects any impact while your car is parked and off. This feature gives you peace of mind when you're away from your vehicle. Supporting microSD cards up to 256 GB, this dash cam ensures you have plenty of storage for all your recordings. Just make sure to use a U3 or higher endurance card to maintain smooth 4K video performance without interruption. One happy customer shared that setting up the dash cam was quick and simple, taking just 30 minutes for 2 vehicles. They praised the video quality, parking mode, GPS, and the ease of connecting through the app to monitor the road from their phone or tablet. If you want reliable, high-quality footage and smart features, this dash cam is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values clear video, easy control, and dependable security, this 4K dash cam is ready to deliver. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference it makes on every drive.